Hi guys, it's Jasmine. I have a review for you today on the Silken Infinity hair removal device. I have been trying to do some research. I hate shaving. I'm sure a lot of other people do also. I hate shaving. Waxing is too painful and I really don't want to spend the money on laser hair removal. So I said, let me try and find one of these at-home devices that will work for me and that's not too expensive. So I did some research. I did not see a lot of reviews from people of color about these devices. So I said, let me do a really deep dive here and see what I come up with and hopefully find a device for me. And I did. So I found a website and it had about 4 or 5 different devices on there that they recommended were safe for people of color. One was the Braun, another was Smooth and Silky, I think, and then we had the Lumia Prestige, and then the Silken. So I put up here on the video also pictures and prices that go along with these devices. And I got this during Black Friday, so I kind of got a pretty decent deal. Okay, so it uses intense pulsed light, and you have the option to either pulse, lift it up and move to one spot to the next, or glide it along your body. There are no refill cartridges needed for these devices, so that's good, and they're good for lifetime treatments. The Silken offers a free app that you can download and track your treatments, and it'll remind you of your next treatment and what setting to use the device on. And after you do your treatment, you're supposed to use body lotion on the area that you treated. So let me show you the unboxing. Here we go. Okay, so here we have the Silken Infinity hair removal device. This is the packaging. I got it during a Black Friday sale. Here is the box, and they also included this perfect electric trimmer shaver. That was nice free gift that they included. So on the box here, it gives you the locations to where you can use the hair removal device: the face, underarms, arms, bikini line, legs, back, and chest area. And here are simple instructions. We have to shave first, plug in the device, cut it on, select our power level, and use it. Okay. On the packaging that our smaller box is in, it gives the guide to what skin tones can use this device. I'm hoping to be within the light brown skin tone, so hopefully this works for me. And it says, don't use Infinity on naturally dark skin, keep away from your eyes, don't use on tan skin or skin recently exposed to sun, and it's not good for white or light hair. And we have to read the user manual before using. So here on the back of the box, it explains how the technology works. So that's very interesting. And some more instructions here on the side. Here is the box. Let's open it up. Alrighty, we have another case here. It's a nice carrying case for the device. Let's open this up. This just unzips, and Here we go. And here is our device. Silken Infinity. Okay. Here's the power cord. Okay, it's a cleaning cloth. Warranty information here, and what else? Our user manual. Okay, so I'm ready to start. Before you start, you're supposed to make sure the area is clean, free of any products or hair. You're supposed to shave before you do it. So I'm gonna do my underarm today. I already did my face earlier when I first got the device because I wanted to get that going because I hate that I have chin hair. So let's cut it on and get started here. So here's the device, and we press the button at the back to cut it on. I don't know if you can hear, but it does have a fan, and that's a little loud, but I guess what do we do? So this is set on number 1. That's the setting I'm going to use it on since it's being my first time for my underarms. So here we go. You're supposed to have your thumb back here, and then you press this front part when you're ready to start. So here we go. Okay, that wasn't too bad. It kind of feels like a little prick and then a warm feeling afterwards. So it's not painful, it doesn't hurt, so that's good. Let's try the other side. All done. Okay, and we have to press and hold to cut it off. There we go. All right, so we use a little lotion afterwards. And we're all done. Alrighty, so my final review. The fan is a little loud on the device. However, I guess that's needed to keep the lamp cool. I don't know, but it's not terrible, especially if you're using it for quick sessions, or if you're doing it in front of the TV. I'm sure you probably won't notice it then. My only con about this is the light sensor to make sure that your skin tone is suitable for this device is on the back. So if you have it a certain way, you won't be able to see if your skin is suitable or not. So that's a con for me. If it were up front or in a different location, that would be pretty good. But all in all, I like it, and I'll be back with another review. They say wait 2 weeks in between sessions. So I'm going to do, maybe I'll be back in 6 weeks with another review and see how it's going, and if I see any reduction in hair growth or what. Oh, and in the comment section, if you've tried this device or if you tried other devices and you like them, let me know. And let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, let me know and I'll address them in the next video. Give my video a thumbs up. Also, I'll leave a link below for this Silken Infinity hair removal device. You can just use that link and go to the device that I purchased and hopefully purchase one yourself. Thanks, guys. Bye.